Hello and welcome back to QSE Academy, your go-to channel for everything related to quality, safety, and environmental management systems. If you're finding this content valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful updates. Today, we're unpacking a crucial topic. What is ISO 17021? Let's jump right in. ISO 17021 sets the standards for bodies providing audit and certification of management systems. Essentially, it's the backbone for organizations that issue certifications confirming compliance with management standards like ISO 9001 and ISO 14001. ISO 17021 is pivotal because it assures that certification bodies operate with competence, consistency, and impartiality. This framework fosters trust and confidence in the certification process for businesses, their customers, and stakeholders alike. This standard emphasizes principles such as impartiality, competence, and confidentiality, ensuring a certification process that is fair, transparent, and reliable for everyone involved. Adhering to ISO 17021 helps maintain a high standard of certification service, reinforcing the credibility and integrity of the certification body. Exciting news for our viewers. If you're looking to dive deeper into ISO 17021, we've got a complete free series right here on YouTube. This series breaks down all the ISO 17021 requirements, one by one, giving you detailed explanations to guide you through each aspect of the standard. And there you have it, a straightforward introduction to ISO 17021. If this video was helpful, please like it and subscribe to QC Academy for more. And there you have it, a straightforward introduction to ISO 17021.